Hello everyone, my name is Gaurish Purohit. I work as a campus ambassador of Jaro Education and I welcome you all today for the placement drive of Jaro Education 2021. So today we'll be going to discuss what is Jaro Education, what is there in the company, how you will be going to build up your career into this organization, how fast this company can give you a growth into sales. So let's start with the presentation of Jaro Education for this particular campus season. Jaro Education is one of the leading promoters of e-learning courses into various corporates and for the working professionals. We are the link between the colleges and the people who want to pursue their further education online. As you can see, when there is a growth, when we talk about the growth and promotion in online business, obviously nowadays because of the COVID situation, we came to know that online education in our system must be adapted as soon as possible. Also at the same time, for the working professionals who are working at present, not getting time for their studies and everything, Jaro Education plays a vital role in that. Now, as we can see the statistics, like what is the future growth of the online education, you can see over here that it is having a very wide scope. As a primary and secondary supplement education, it is one of the leading education thing in India. When we talk about Jaro Education as a group, so Jaro Education is having 4 different companies right now. So first vertical is the recruitment vertical, which we have NetHR as a company. Now NetHR company was established in 2000, which is one of the finest and one of the biggest consulting company into HR sector. Then we started off with Jaro Education into education sector in 2009. In 2017, we came with a non-banking financial corporation, which is Jaro Finance. And recently in 2019, we have come up with Jaro Top Scholars, which is a K-12 model educational platform. So when we talk about Jaro Education, we always talk about Dr. Sanjay Salunke, the man behind the idea, the visionary person who thought of organizing the online education sector. So before, the online education sector was about all the CDs and everything which people used to learn from. The old school thing. He thought of bringing that particular platform online with a good user interface, with the best experience. He was the first one to think about it. Every sales driven organization requires someone who can take care of the sales backbone. And when we talk about the backbone of the organization into sales, the names comes first is Miss Ranjita Raman. She's the one who was always there to support the sales staff, who always there to motivate the sales staff to grow further. She's the one who helped out the organization to grow faster. Right now, whatever the organization is, because of these 2 people majorly, Dr. Sanjay Salunke and Ms. Ranjita Raman. This company was established in 2009 with a staff strength of more than 1,000 people at present in this organization, and more than 150,000 enrollments has been done till now. Looking forward, we are having 11 operational offices at present in India. As you can see, we are there in Pan India, talking about Noida, Gurgaon and NCR region. There are 4 offices in Mumbai region. Then there is 1 office in Pune, 1 in Hyderabad, Bangalore and 1 in Chennai. Moving further, we have, since 2009, we are winning a lot of rewards and getting a lot of recognitions as well into the corporate world. So when we talk about various awards, we have mentioned few of them, which are Education Excellence Awards in 2012 for providing the best online education in India. We have E-India Awards, we have Modi Awards, we have ABP News Education Award, which we have won in 2018. 2019, we won the Economic Times Award, which is one of the finest, the bigger awards. So every year, our recognitions and awards are increasing. We are doing much better. We are growing fast in the corporates. So that is where the Jaro Education stands. Now, when you come into an organization into sales, the most important thing you need to understand is what are the products into that particular company. Because ultimately what you have to sell in the company is the product. Okay. Now these are the institutes which we are having tie-up with. Understand, as a salesperson, you need to just see them as the selling products, because the end result is that the customer will be going to enroll in one of these institutes and universities from you, right? So when we talk about the institutes and university, we have the brands like IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Trichy, Guru Nanak Institute of Management, Wellington Institute Alliance University, IMT Ghaziabad is there, Bharatiya Vidyapeeth is there. So each and every university and every segment, all type of courses and everything we offer. whosoever is the working professional, whatever they do, we offer each and every type of a program. We offer according to their requirement, whatever they need, we have that in our pocket. So obviously the wide range of products, the best brands in the market can help you out to do sales any day, anytime. If you want to make your career into education sector, into sales, so Jaro is going to provide you with the best platform, with the best products in the market. Moving further, what would be your daily routine in the organization? We do end-to-end sales. And the best thing to start off your career into sales is to learn end-to-end sales. So first of all, we'll be going to provide you with the data. You have to do cold calling on that because it's a raw data. Rather than going door to door, what you can do, you can simply just pick up your phone, start calling. Understand who want to pursue their MBA program or who want to pursue further education. Now, when you'll be going to call a particular person, you are not just calling and asking them about whether they want to go for a particular program or not. You are actually marketing the company as well. So whenever that particular person requires any kind of an online education program, he will be going to call you and will ask you for the particular programs and everything. So cold calling is a very important thing which we do on a daily basis. The next thing is that when you are cold calling, you are generating raw data, right? Now you have the leads, you have the prospects. Now you have to convert those prospects into hot prospects by convincing the customer to go for further education with Jaro Education with a particular product. You have to counsel them with which course would be suitable for their further growth and promotions. Now once it's done, so obviously it's a target driven company, it's a sales organization, so you have a particular target to achieve as well, right? So you have to achieve the enrollment targets every month provided by the organization. Now the most important part, the package which we'll be going to offer you. So the package will totally depends upon which location you are getting and what is your highest qualification. So we have a different package for the postgraduates and we have a different package for the graduates. Starting off with the post-graduations. So when we talk about postgraduates, you will be getting a package of 6,06,000 rupees to 8,46,000 rupees. This is for the location Mumbai, Bangalore, Noida, Gurgaon and Pune. And when we talk about the locations of like Hyderabad and Chennai, you have a package starting from 6,06,000 rupees to 7,26,000 rupees. The best into the market when we talk about sales industries. And Jaro is always known for giving the best packages. Now, when we talk about this particular package, it will consist of different components. There would be a fixed component as you can see on the screen. There would be other components like daily travel reimbursement, your incentives, your bonuses, everything would be mentioned over there. Clear? Now, when we talk about the fixed component, it is fixed salary. Whether you achieve your target or not, this would be your fixed salary. Now, there is another segment which is there is like for the first 3 months, you'll be getting a fixed salary of 30,000 rupees. And then from the 4th month onwards, you'll be getting 50,000 rupees as a fixed salary. So that you can get an increment of salary in just 3 months by giving a good performance into the company. Same goes with the Hyderabad and Chennai location. 30,000 rupees is the fixed salary for the first 3 months and then 40,000 rupees from the 4th month onwards. Moving further for the graduates, the remunerations would be from 4,80,000 rupees to 6,60,000 rupees. Again, a good package when we talk about graduates. No other company is offering such a handsome packages for the graduates right now. Now, for the first 3 months, the fixed salaries for the graduates would be 25,000 rupees and 4th month onwards, it would be 40,000 rupees, specifically for the location Mumbai, Bangalore, Noida, Gurgaon and Pune. And for the Hyderabad, the fixed package would be 25,000 rupees for the first 3 months and 4th month onwards, it would be 35,000 rupees. Straight away increment into the package in just 3 months on the basis of your performance. Rest, daily travel reimbursements, monthly incentives, performance cum continuity bonuses, all these would be including and giving you a package of 4,80,000 rupees to 6,60,000 rupees. Apart from remuneration, what exactly non-monetary benefits you can get from the organization? When we talk about the non-monetary benefits, so there would be multiple competitions coming every month, every week for you. A certain enrollment target would be given for a month or for a time period where you have to achieve it and win various prizes. As you can see, many people have won IPL prizes, many people have won iPhones, dinner vouchers. I personally myself won an iPad in the 3rd month of joining of this organization. So it would be an amazing experience into sales, a lot of competition, a lot of enjoyment, a lot of thrill would be there in this particular organization for this sales department. Okay, moving further, we also organize yearly contests for the international trips. Suddenly we just don't go to Bangkok only. We went to Dubai, we went to Singapore, and so on. Whatever the demand of employees of the organization, we keep a contest for everyone. Okay, international trip, you get it. Moving further, obviously, if you're doing so good in the organization, we have to recognize you as well. So on the monthly basis, we recognize you with a champ of the month and facilitate you every quarter with awards and recognitions. So that particular badge, the star of the month, the champ of the month trophy would be there with you. Every month you can keep that trophy by achieving the highest number of targets or highest number of achievements in a month in your branch. On a yearly basis, if you have achieved target as compared like yearly targets and you have achieved highest targets in the organization, we'll be going to recognize you in a rewards and recognition ceremony which happens on 14th of August every year. Now, a lot of your colleagues, a lot of your seniors have come up with the organization, have done tremendously good in organization. You might have got the feedback as well. As you now all know that what we are offering, what is there in the organization for you. So we all welcome you to process further with the group discussion and personal interview rounds with Jaro Education. I wish you all the best for the same. Thank you so much for your time to going through this video, and all the best for your group discussions and personal interviews. Thank you so much.